Hey guys, welcome to day 15. Today I'm going to talk about A-powered. Today I'm going to talk about AI-powered editing. And it comes in really handy for videos like what I'm doing today. I think I may have shared this in one of my previous days of my 90-day video challenge. But I'm doing very stripped back, streamlined videos because I ain't got time to do fancy schmancy editing. So I am doing very limited editing, and the tool that I'm choosing to use to get all of my editing done for this challenge, unless it's even in some instances, if it's a screen recorded video, is Kapwing. So Kapwing is a great tool, and Kapwing isn't the only one. Descript can do this as well. And there's some other ones, Gling, and I'm drawing a blank on the other ones. There are other tools that are out there as well that can help you trim and remove the ums, the filler words, and the filler spaces from your videos to make editing smooth and easy. So I highly recommend that if you're going to create videos and you're going to be serious about it and you want to create them very quickly, do videos like this one where you're essentially winging it. You have a guide of what you want to talk about, and you're willing to include the mistakes and the fumbles and the whatnots. And what you're going to use is a tool like Descript, like Kapwing, like Gling, like any of the other ones that will allow you to remove the filler words. You can even friggin' do this with Loom. I don't think you can do it with Canva, but you can do it with Loom, where you can get rid of the filler words. You can get rid of the, I say so a lot. So I would get rid of my so and all of those things. And that just allows you to then trim the very beginning and the very end, and you're good to go. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 16. Again, join my workshop. Check the link up above or below this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.